Yeah. What?
Hey, Riley.
What got way down there because I pushed it.
Yeah, I'm recording Riley. I'll be with you in just a minute, okay? It will record you in a minute too. Oh, are you coloring? Can you color your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Where? Good job. Such a big boy coloring. Good job. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada? Can you say daddy?
Dada.
Can you say Hannah? Can you say Hannah?
She said Hannah.
Hey, that's right. Can you say BB? Can you say BB? Oh, you want the thumb?
Read for you.
Can you say BB? Say it loud. Say BB.
Yeah.
Can you say BB? Yay!
He's doing it.
Can you say BB?
Okay.
You say Papa? You say Papa?
Hey, Papa.
Riley. You say Papa?
Papa.
I know you can. Hey, Riley, can you say Papa?
Papa. Papa.
That's right. Can you say G? G? No?
G?
You can say G. Can you say Pop?
Pop.
You say G? No, not BB. Say G.
G.
That's right. How does the tiger go?
Wow.
No, that's a monkey. How does a monkey go? Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Don't draw on your face.
Did I?
No. Can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.